Welcome to the new Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to mute the ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now we can see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute our device ringtone we should hold and then swipe to the left side this dot, and that's it. Also have the second way how we can do that. Just we should press up or down volume button, and after that we should click here on the three dots. Then we'll see here the full volume panel section, and just to mute our device ringtone by the same way we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot, and then just tap here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.